Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, we are going to be discussing the biggest changes in pharmaceutical industry that are going to occur in 2025 and the changes that can revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry in the upcoming future. So we are going to discuss certain AI-driven revolutions in pharma that have been, currently being discovered, and there are a lot of devices, instruments, apparatus, and softwares that have been developed, techniques for enhancing the ease and for a better care, for a better outcome. So we are going to discuss about different subjects, right, from pharmaceutics, pharmacology, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutical chemistry, biochemistry, biotechnology, natural products, and medical devices, clinical pharmacy, and hospital pharmacy. So these are those 25 changes that I would like to emphasize upon. The first is the gene editing. Absolutely. The gene editing, especially the CRISPR-Cas, clustered regulated interspace palindromic sequence repeat with Caspase-9. This is a very good technique useful in genetic, that is being useful in the genetic materials and facilitating the genetic engineering, followed by artificial intelligence, which is very, very important because AI/ML is now being useful in almost every field. We all are acquainted with that. Then MAMS. MAMS is something that I want you to focus on. Multiple attribute methods. So in this, you combine or you amalgamate two or different methods for enhancing the quality. Then when I move ahead, we have a lot of different techniques, that is 3D bioprinting. So the 3D bioprinters help you to, I create different organoids, or 3D bioprinting can help you in tablet manufacturing in a lot of different ways. 3D bioprinting can be helping you. Organ chips, there are a lot of microfluidic devices that can, mimic the environment, right? From the oxygen, vascularity, pH, everything can be controlled. That's like an organ on a chip, right? Then we have cell therapy. Obviously, CAR-T cell therapy. We all have been very much acquainted with this cell therapy innovative technique. Then in silico medication. So these are completely AI driven medications that are being designed, dogged, and validated, remodeled with the help of AI. Then nanotechnology, blockchain. So blockchain is very important because the data encryption is extremely essential. So for monitoring various parameters also, and for keep the security. So it's very important that we amalgamate a particular blockchain technology. Then we have wearable devices. So there are a lot of wearable devices, right, from your headgear to your ear, nose, anklets, everywhere. There are a lot of wearable devices, smart watches for monitoring different levels, stress, glucose, and this. So basically, it's aiming towards the personalized medicine or the precision medicine. Then we have quantum computing. So quantum computing have to be like complex molecular simulations are being used to reduce the drug development timelines. Then POCT, point of care testing. So it is minimizing the diagnostic devices, uh, allowing rapid disease detection in remote areas. Then we have PI, pharmacoinformatics. So big data analytics can be easily combined, and a lot of analytical tools can be used to for the pharmacoinformatics, because it can we can integrate pharmacoinformatics in pharmacology, in natural products, in pharmaceutics, a lot of areas like pharmacology, ethnopharmacology, reverse pharmacology, right? So we can incorporate that. Then AR, VR, virtual reality, augmented reality. So these are enhancing the realistic simulations of drug interactions. So like we have docking, flexible, rigid dockings and all. Similarly, we have simulations of the drug interactions, because there are bonds, hydrogen, electrostatic, hydrophobic bonds that are interacting with the receptor. So those can be easily simulated. Then furthermore, we have smart pills and digital medicines that are useful to provide a real-time monitoring. So we have smart capsules, nanobots, and all that are being used. Then in next generation sequencing, NGS. So we have already have gene sequencing and protein sequencing techniques like Edmans and Sagners, but next generation sequencing, pyro sequencing, and all are something that is gaining a lot of importance. AI-powered chatbots. Then we have electroceuticals. Electroceuticals is very, very important. They are like a bioelectronic device whereby you can be using in neurodegenerative diseases. Mostly they are being used like epilepsy, Alzheimer's, and all, for modulating the activity, nerve activity. And lastly, regenerative medicines, again for heart disease and different diseases. So these are some of the very famous and the top changes that can bring, or the attributes that can be a boon for the pharmaceutical industry. I hope this video was insightful for you. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more such upcoming videos.